So the notes today are really simple and really short. We actually just looked at it, but we're going to write it out here. So we're going to write positive slope, positive sloping lines always, always, always look like this, okay? They go up and right. Negative sloping lines always, always, always look like that. They go down and right. That's really all you need to know. But you should be able to now to look at a graph and know if it's showing you a positive slope or a negative slope. That's what we're going to use moving forward in today's lesson. And so our conjecture for today, again, very simple idea, what we've just been talking about. The sine of the rate of change determines the direction of a line on a graph, right? So the sine, that means positive or negative, of the rate of change, the sine of your slope, tells you which way your line is going, if it's going up and right or down and left. That's what our conjecture means today. We're going to test that out a couple times, then you'll start doing some practice problems.